Welcome to this video tutorial about Trimble Business Center aerial photogrammetry. After you successfully were running an absolute orientation, then if you want to access the exterior orientations of your data, then you can access the XYZ positions also in TBC itself. So you can here in TBC go to the Project Explorer, open up the points, and then you see also that all your photos are here part of the point list, and then you can select them and make here a point list. And then the point list here is giving you the coordinate system, and together with the coordinate system also it gives you here the X, Y, Z values of your images. And then of course you can here save this here and export, so you can do this as an Excel sheet or a Word document, and then you have the data available. If you also want to have not only X, Y, Z but also the orientation values, the omega phi kappa values, then you will need to go through US master. So what you need to do is in this case here then go to send to US master of your project, then you include your flight. I now assume, as we talk about exterior orientations, the ground control points are not for us important. Then you hit OK. US master will open up. You will load this project into a US master project itself. So therefore here I will just give here shortly a name. And then we can hit here OK. Then US master is opening up and generating here this part. We can now go into the edit. And when we go to edit, we can go to our frames. And when we open the frame dialog in this case, then let me just show the window. Then we can here select all the images. So here Control A, and then there's an export function to export XYZ omega phi kappa here in comma space or tab delimited in a very simple export format. Let us just do this here with comma separation. And then let's take a look. So, and then when we take a look at the export, then we see we have east, north, height, and omega phi kappa as our values. The angles are in degree, so not gone, but in 360 degrees. And if you would compare these values now with the TBC, then you will see a difference. And let's open up here one more time this part here, and let's here go back to this one and make this smaller, and then we will see that there is offset here between these parts. So in this case here 511 767, 511 877, and from the Norving 883 984 884 034. If you put this whole thing into an Excel sheet and then compare them to each other, then we will see here these two different parts. So this is now here the values coming from on the left side, coming from the US master, and here on the right side the values coming from TBC. And if you apply now here these values, which is either it's the camera offset or is it perhaps a calculated offset, I'm not sure about it, I will have to double check. But when you then apply these values, then we are getting here very close again to the values that are also part of the Trimble Business Center. So let's here zoom down, and when we now take from US master this value and we subtract here for east the 12 centimeters, then we are here with 757, 767, 1 centimeter here. The next one is 82756, 82750, so 6 millimeters, then 643, 447, 643, 444, so 3 millimeter, and let me perhaps here make this here on the parallel to it, and then we can take a look and see that these values here are within millimeters or 1 centimeter difference. And this is then for the easting. For the northing, then here there was this shift applied, and for the height, the 50 centimeters here. And therefore the values that are exported to US master then are then the corrected values. So I would in this case really go with the US master export, going to the frame photos, selecting all the images, exporting, and of course you also get here the omega phi kappa values additionally. So therefore everything here is included, the corrections, and therefore here you can then use these values as your exterior orientation, so your absolute orientation. I hope this helps and allows you to continue your work. Also, you see the coordinate system here written here on top. So you have here this VTK, WTK, TK standardized coordinate system applied on the header, and therefore you can then see here where your data is written in. Okay, have fun!